In this video, I want to show you a technique to convert decimal numbers to binary numbers. This technique is useful for small numbers, let's say maybe 8 bits or 16 bits. And it's if you are converting a greater decimal number to binary, you will be using a calculator or maybe some application. But for small numbers, it's useful to know this. So remember, this is the position of the digit, and this is the 2 raised to the corresponding power. So if we put a 1 here, this one will have a value of 2048 in the final value. If we put a 1 here, it will be 16, and so on and so forth. So remember that with 16 bits, the maximum number that we can represent in binary will be 2 raised to the 16th power minus 1. This is more or less 130,000, something like that. So let's say we have a decimal number. Let me put this to the left. This number, for example, and we want to convert this to binary. If we have this table, we can use it to do the conversion very easily. For example, what we need to do is to pick the greatest number that we can subtract to the number we have. For example, in this case, it will be this one. So we put a 1 here, and we subtract a number from the original number, because if we have a 1 here, we have already all this quantity covered. So we subtract that. This will be a 6. This will be a 8. This will be a 9, 4, and 1. Okay. So we have a 1 here, and we have this quantity left to represent in binary. So we can subtract this quantity. So we have a 0 here. We can't subtract this quantity. We have a 0 here, but we can subtract 8,000. So we subtract this, and let me see if I can remember. This will be a 4, into 8 will be a 9, 2 will be a 7, and this will be a 6. Okay, let me check, because I'm not used to do these kinds of calculations by hand anymore. Okay, I remember something for my kindergarten years. So we have a 1 here, and this quantity left. So we can subtract this quantity. We do it again. The 6, have an 8 here, we have a 9 here, we have a 6 here, and a 2. Okay, 6, 1. I think I've done something wrong here. Let me check it with the calculator. Sorry. Oh no, it's okay. It's okay. I've did it well. Okay, so we have a 1 here because we have used 4,000. We could subtract this, so we will have a 1 here, and so on. So until we have a 0 here. If you want, I'm going to finish that. Okay, we have a 1 here. Much more easy now. 0, 5, 6, 0. So we have a 0 here, and subtract 500. So we will have a 1 here. 8, 2, this will be a 3. We can't subtract here. We will subtract this. We have 10. So 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. Okay, once you arrive to the last 8 binary numbers, is much more easy, much more easier to do it. So using this method, you can convert numbers maybe until 16 binary digits from decimal to binary.